Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Olive Garden salad dressing. First, gather your ingredients, including good quality olive oil, white vinegar, and a blend of spices. Next, measure each component carefully to ensure the perfect balance of flavors. Then, combine everything in a bowl or jar and mix thoroughly. Finally, chill the dressing for at least 1 hour before serving to let the flavors meld beautifully. To create this classic dressing, you'll need about 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil and 1/4 cup of white vinegar for that signature tang. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese to add a rich, savory note. For seasoning, include 1 teaspoon of sugar, along with garlic powder, onion powder, and a blend of Italian herbs. These ingredients are key to replicating the authentic taste. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix them for that perfect texture. You can whisk everything vigorously in a bowl until well combined, or for a smoother, more emulsified dressing, use an immersion blender. This helps to fully incorporate the oil and vinegar, preventing separation. Make sure all the spices are dissolved, then taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. After mixing, it's crucial to chill your homemade dressing for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to fully develop and meld together, enhancing the overall taste. When ready, serve it generously over your favorite fresh salad greens and vegetables. Any leftover dressing should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.